Ducati 748, probably one of the most recognisable sports bikes of motorcycle existence from 1993, 94. These were made in the Kajiba factory, I believe it was 93. They are probably the epitome of motorcycle styling. One of the most recognisable and iconic motorcycles you'll ever see to this day. And thankfully, some beautiful examples like this one still exist. In fact, they don't boast anywhere near 100 horsepower, but they do carry plenty of torque, plenty of engine braking, and all the wonderful chassis you can want. Very flickable, very light. This is one of the earlier models, which has the suicide stand, which is a barrel of fun.